the straightener assembly, which straightens the wire. Then you've got the feed unit, adjustable. It can be adjusted to feed various lengths. And then you've got the cutting and forming unit, right? There's a preset counter out here to measure the number of pieces you're processing. I'll switch on the machine. You see, the feeder arm operates, feeds the wire, and then you've got the wire being formed. You can see that the tools vary as per the form geometry. There's a universal tool for making jumper links. You can make jumpers from 2.5 mm pitch to around 30 mm pitch. Other lengths are also possible. You see the feed unit. You've got those carbide tip loaded paws which dip the wire and feed it ahead. There's a stop paw. The tools are spring loaded. The bending tools are spring loaded. They basically clamp the wire before it is being cut or bent, and they aid in stripping the device also from the tool. See the thing already. The tools can be adjusted for various lengths. The right hand side of the tools remains stationary. You can see the jumpers being formed. These three tools remain fixed basically. If you want to alter the jumper pitch, this can be varied as per the pitch required. The cut to bend length also can be varied on one limb or both the limbs. Right? So this is it. This is the straightener assembly. You can make 3,600 jumpers per hour. JL20 is capable of making 3,600 jumpers per hour. JL20H, we've got another model that can make around